Today we're going to make beef enchiladas using sirloin steak. And we're going to cook it in a Dutch oven pot to brown it. Then we'll bake it. Browning the sirloin steak for beef enchiladas. We'll add some beef broth to the steak in the Dutch oven. After it's browned, we'll put it in the oven. Season the beef with seasoning salt and pepper. Seasoning salt and pepper to taste. Add about 1/3 can of beef broth to keep the meat moist while it's in the oven at 350 degrees. Cover and place in the oven at 350 degrees for half an hour or until done. Cooked for 350 degrees in the oven, in a Dutch oven, and then sat in the oven for another 30 minutes just resting. We'll be shredding Colby Jack cheese, extra sharp cheddar cheese. You'll need 3 or 4 cups. We'll use tomato sauce, chili powder, and water for the enchilada sauce. Homemade enchilada sauce. We used 2 15-ounce cans of tomato sauce, 4 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 cans of water. We'll bring it to a boil and then cover and simmer for 20 minutes. Cheddar cheese and Colby Jack mixed together. We'll be using corn tortillas for our enchiladas. Use a 1/2 cup of oil of your choice in a skillet on medium heat to deep fry the corn tortillas. Deep frying corn tortilla. Drain corn tortilla on paper towel. Shredded steak. Shredded steak inside the corn tortillas. Steak enchiladas and cheese enchiladas. Ready for the sauce. Smothering with enchilada sauce. Cover with shredded cheese. Place in oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes or until cheese is melted. Steak enchiladas ready to take out of the oven. Steak enchiladas. We'll be serving with sour cream and salsa. Homemade salsa. Steak enchiladas with sour cream and salsa.